Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to turn on dark mode on Mattermost. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and log into your Mattermost account. Currently, I'm using my demo account to keep things private, but just go ahead and log into your Mattermost account. Now, once you're on this page, on the main page, you want to turn your attention to the right side of the screen. You want to look for this cogwheel at the top. Click this. This is actually the settings button. So once you do that, this window will pop up. This mini settings window will pop up. And then from here, you want to click on display, this second option. Then from here, just choose theme under display settings. And once you do, this is where you'll get the option to choose a darker theme or dark mode. So you can either choose indigo or the darker one, which is onyx. Then once you're satisfied, go ahead and save this. And basically that's it. Now you know how to turn on dark mode on Mattermost in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.